In this video, we listed the 5 best 4K drone on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. XT808 Max Drone. The product is a medium-sized, foldable drone equipped with a 4K HD camera and advanced features such as GPS positioning, optical flow stabilization, and a brushless motor. Weighing only 227 grams, it avoids the regulatory hassles associated with heavier drones. The drone offers a flight time of approximately 25 minutes and a control range of up to 3,000 meters. It includes a high-definition remote control with a 4.5-inch display for real-time image transmission and supports various smart flight modes, including gesture photography and customizable flight paths. The package includes the drone, remote control, battery, spare propellers, USB cables, a screwdriver, and manuals. Priced at $104.55 after a 50% discount, it is available for shipment to Bangladesh with a delivery date of July 1st. Number 2. RG1MA Drone. The T17 RG1MA is an advanced electric drone designed for both indoor and outdoor use, featuring a lightweight design of approximately 189 grams. It boasts a 4K UHD camera with adjustable lens and advanced obstacle avoidance systems, including visual and laser detection. With a flight time of 10 to 20 minutes and a control range of up to 1,200 meters, it is suitable for users of all skill levels. The drone supports smart features like GPS positioning, automatic return, and intelligent tracking, making it user-friendly. It comes ready to fly with various accessories, including a remote control and USB charging cable. Priced at $85.99 after a 55% discount, it is available for shipment to Bangladesh with a delivery date of June 26. Number 3. XT808 Max Pro. This product is a lightweight drone designed for aerial photography, featuring a 1080p HD camera mounted on a 2-axis gimbal for stable video capture. Weighing just 150 g, it operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency and is powered by a brushless motor, offering a flight duration of 28 minutes and a control range of 500 meters. The drone incorporates laser obstacle avoidance technology and GPS for enhanced navigation but lacks an integrated propeller guard and aerosol spray system. With a maximum wind speed resistance of less than 10 km per hour and a maximum takeoff weight of under 1 kilogram, it is suitable for casual outdoor use. Available from Eternal Man store on Aliexpress for US $144.90, reflecting a 50% discount, this drone is an excellent choice for hobbyists looking to capture high-quality aerial footage. Number 4. K17 MAX Drone. The K17 MAX Drone by T17 is an outdoor-ready, app-controlled aerial photography device designed for beginners. It features a sleek black and gray design, powered by a 3.7V, 1800 mAh lithium battery, allowing for approximately 15 minutes of flight time. The drone supports real-time image transmission and comes equipped with a brushless motor, infrared obstacle avoidance, and various shooting modes. With a remote control distance of about 80 to 100 meters and a flight altitude of up to 100 meters, it is suitable for users aged 14 and above. The package includes the drone, remote control, USB charging cable, and batteries, all at a discounted price of $72, with shipping available to Bangladesh. The product is certified and comes with a 1-month warranty, emphasizing safety with a warning against use by children under 8. Number 5. V666 4K Drone. The Xian MIXC V666 is a compact drone designed for high-quality aerial photography, featuring an impressive 4K HD video recording capability. Weighing only 119 g, it is powered by a brushless motor and operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency, with a maximum flight duration of 15 minutes and a control range of up to 3,000 meters. The drone includes visual obstacle avoidance technology and comes with an integrated propeller guard for added safety. Its removable 3.7V 1800 mAh battery offers convenience, while the remote control features a built-in screen for easy navigation. Available from Shop 110 for $119993 store on Aliexpress for just US $39.02, reflecting a 50% discount. This drone is an excellent choice for enthusiasts looking for an affordable yet capable aerial photography solution.